Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about my 9 months experience with the INIU 27,140 watt super fast charging power bank. Now, truthfully, disclaimer, they didn't ask me to do a review for this product. Honestly, they sent this product without me even noticing, because one day my friend told me I had a package at his place and realized there was a B7 and a B64, which is we have here. So, I'm Dependent Photographer. Please do subscribe, like, and share. What I'm about to share with you is a real-world experience for 9 months using this power bank since December 1st, 2023. So, it is August 2024, and it's been reliable. As you can see, there's some wear and tear over time, but display-wise, wattage, voltage, it's been super accurate because I've been using this Uklon 65 watt wall charger. It's been super accurate, but keep this in mind. It's not going to charge at 65 watts. Also, it's not going to charge fully at 140 watts. That is what it can achieve. But as a safety measurement, let's say you had a device that charged at 130 watts. It's going to charge at 130 watts, but it's never going to go over 140 watts because keep this in mind, that it will try to consume some safety measurements so it doesn't overheat the components inside the power bank. But this is good for MacBook users, as I experienced, even though I don't have footage of it because it happened randomly a couple of times, where MacBook users did not have their own cable to their MacBook they want to charge. So I let them borrow one of these cables that I have that supports 100 watts each, right? And using this power bank, they were able to actually charge their MacBooks in no time. And mind you, yes, this Type-C ports, the 140 watt and the 45 watts. And most of the time, you're going to use it in and out if you're using, keep this in mind, laptops that charge more than 100 watts. If your laptop charges at 40 watts or 30 watts or 25 watts, use the 45 watt. But yes, there's an 18 watt, but you're not going to really use the USB 3.1, are you? Maybe in a pinch. But display-wise, the display actually accurate tells you how much wattage that you're actually charging, how long it takes to charge. It's been super accurate when it comes down to the display. So components for this unit is very accurate. So, and mind you, I am not affiliate with INIU Tech. I'm just someone that asks for an honest review. And I give them an honest review as of August 2024 using this particular power bank. Now, I have reviewed and shared my experiences with 20,000 milliamps and the 25,000 milliamp power banks that support 65 watt charging. But this one here takes the cake, mind you. But recently, they reached out to me to review more products, and I want to take them on their free collaboration. Now, keep in mind, collabs do not mean that the brand is going to ask you to pay for the product for a review. No, INIU does not do such a thing. They literally want an honest review, so they will send it out free of charge, no questions asked, just your honest opinion, so they can improve and innovate on the new set of power banks that should be coming out very soon. So with that said, everyone, this is Dependent Photographer. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you want to support the channel, there's a Patreon page. There's also, if you want to keep the lights on here, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. All the Amazon links to everything I'm showing you here in this video will be in the description below. I am using Maven filters to record this video, if I did not mention that. But I always use Maven filters. I'm using the 3-stop because I'm using these nice, powerful FL90 RGB lights from Subway Photo. That's what's helping me illuminate this scene here to show you the product itself. It's been through wear and tear. It's been rugged. When it comes down to weatherability, you can literally go to the 4 seasons with this. But mind you, heavy rain, I suggest covering the ports or keep this in a safe place, because we do not understand or know the IPA certification for these ports directly. So keep in mind, body structure wise, it can sustain long heavy rain pours, but ports, be careful, mindful. Keep this in its pouch bag if you have the pouch bag. Keep this with you at all times. But even this can get soaking wet. So keep this in a dry space if you can. But don't worry about it being wet because the material has like this rubberized texture where it feels great. It feels nice in the hole in the hand. It has a nice, good amount of weight to balance. And you can tell that there's some earth to it where INIU is not trying to provide a cheap power bank with fake results. This is a power bank that you can get some really, really good results. And I'm doing this in the real world. I apologize for the background noise, but I want you guys to share this experience with me. I'm the Dependent Photographer. Please do support the channel. And please support the brand, the INIU Tech. I'm going to leave the links right at the top of the description, in the descriptions. So you can have access to buying their products directly with the Amazon link. So, with that said, everyone, this has been my INIU 27,140 watt power bank 9-month experience. Thank you, INIU, and thank you, Kathleen, which has been my rep. She's the operator manager. And mind you, thank you, Kathleen. You've been very sweet to me and very kind, and responding to the very emails that you recently just sent. I am grateful to, continue to represent your brand and collab with you guys. So with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Eat, sleep, photography, videography, and power up and repeat. And I see you guys in the next video. See ya.